In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your logs in Lovable. This is very useful if your app has an error or something is not working as expected and you want to see what is happening in the backend. So, first, open your Lovable project and make sure your app is published. Logs only show once your app is deployed. Now look at the top right next to the preview button. You will see a small plus icon. Hover your mouse over it and click on Cloud. This will open the Logs section. Here you will see different types of logs you can review. You have PostgreSQL logs for database activity, authentication logs to track logins and user actions, real-time logs, storage logs, edge logs, and function logs. Just click on the one you want to check. For example, if you think the issue is your database, choose PostgreSQL logs. If it's a login problem, select authentication logs. You can also switch the time period. For example, you can look at logs from the last hour, last 24 hours, or the last few days. And if you need to analyze them later, you can even download your logs to your computer. So this is how you debug issues in Lovable and track what is happening inside your app. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more Lovable tutorials.